If things do go wrong, this is not the best way to deal with the problem.
Good evening, Croeso Cynnes.
Hello, the name's Davis. I've got a reservation for 3 nights. I haven't got my details with me, but I phoned earlier. I was told it wasn't going to be a problem.
Right, okay.
Is there a problem?
Yes, I can't seem to find your booking details.
Well, do you want my credit card details? I paid £100 deposit.
No, I don't know. To be honest, sir, we're fully booked tonight.
Well, I know, that's why I phoned ahead. Look, I've booked for 3 nights. I made this, what, 3 months ago? I've paid £100 deposit. And all right, I haven't got my details with me, but, I mean, I phoned ahead and I was told this was going to be a problem.
The problem is, sir, we're fully booked tonight. There's nothing I can help you with.
We can get the manager for me, that might help. Can I see your manager, please?
When things go wrong, and they will, try to put yourself in the other person's shoes. How would you feel if it happened to you? By saying sorry, or I understand how you feel, or let me see what I can do to help, automatically puts you on their side. And it also gives you time to find out what's happening and how to correct the problem.
Good evening, Croeso Cynnes.
Hello, the name's Davis. I've booked in for 3 nights. I haven't got my reference number with me, but I phoned ahead and I was told it wasn't going to be a problem.
Okay, right. Can't seem to find your details. What was your name again, please, sir?
Davis, John Davis. Shouldn't be a problem. I paid £100 deposit on my credit card.
Oh, thank you. Right. No, I can't seem to find your details on screen. Excuse me for 2 minutes. I'll just go and check with the manager and see if we can sort out the problem from there. Put your things down here. Would you like a complimentary drink while you wait, sir? Yeah, I'll send somebody to take your order now. Right, just need to check a couple of things.
Is there a problem?
Yes, we can't seem to find your details, but because you've paid for the deposit on your credit card, the manager should be able to trace your details from that. It might just take a little bit of time.
Do you want my credit card details?
Oh, yes, please. Thank you very much. I'm sorry about this, sir. We will sort out the problem.
Thank you.
Once you've sorted out a problem or a complaint, hopefully it won't happen again. If it does, you'll know how to deal with it better at a future time. But most importantly, the visitor will go away happy. It's important to listen carefully, empathise, treat the guest with courtesy and care, do what you can to fix the problem. Finally, give them feedback, tell them what's happening and what you're trying to do.